Welcome back to our two-part series from our recent trip to the amazing city of Atlanta, Georgia. This is our first time exploring the city, so we decided to explore some of the main attractions for families. On our last day in Atlanta, we spent the day downtown exploring the two museums we have heard so much about over the past few years, the Atlanta Aquarium and the Coca-Cola factory. Also, maybe we should have expected this, but we were thrilled by all of the lights and decorations everywhere we looked. Atlanta proved to be a perfect place to kick off the Christmas season. We're here! Yes, this is their lobby. We've been so excited to see the Georgia Aquarium. Like, we've wanted this for over a year now, so we're so excited to be here.
So at 10:15 we have a behind the seas look at the Georgia Aquarium, which is awesome. So once you arrive in this massive lobby, there's the different areas of the different parts of the sea where you can see animals. Now we just gotta choose which one we want to go to.
And I also love how it's decked out for Christmas.
I know.
There's like trees everywhere. Like, look at over there, Dayton. They're everywhere. We managed to basically explore the entire aquarium, of course at Ian speed, as in very fast, before our behind the seas tour. And for those wondering, this particular aquarium is perfect for toddlers as well as older kids. There are so many tunnel areas where kids can climb through the water tanks to feel like they are part of the water, seeing the fish and animals, which of course Ian would have lived in if we had let him. Also, a lot of the tanks go all the way down to floor level, so kids of all heights can independently watch and enjoy watching the fish. I think my personal favorite place in the entire aquarium was the shark tank, where we got to see some amazing sharks just swimming so majestically through the water. Another really cool place is the tunnel that went through their ocean exhibit. I'm feeling like Ariel the Little Mermaid.
Oh, because you're under the sea?
I'm under the sea.
You have to look.
Currently we are on a conveyor belt going through a tunnel underneath their massive tank with like whale sharks and stingrays. It's very cool and epic.
I kind of got a glimpse of the whale shark. We're heading out to the behind the seas tour that we have to pay extra for this encounter, so you're looking forward to that. It's probably gonna be like their show on Discovery.
Yeah, Discovery Plus.
Yeah.
That's where we learned to love this place.
Yes.
For the behind the seas tour, we get these little like
Special badges.
Yeah, I feel like we're at a concert.
VIP.
We're
the
VIP.
press. Oh yeah, because you have the camera. You're the press.
Yeah. So she said we're gonna get to see like the whale sharks from the top, which should be really cool. They're so impressive to see in person.
Mom, let me vlog for a little bit. Okay, guys.
This is the truth.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's behind the scenes. Hi, hello everybody. So this is the top side of our beluga whale habitat. Did anybody already get a chance to go through Coldwater Quest and see the belugas? Couple head nods? Yeah, awesome. And so right now where we're standing, we are right above the window in Coldwater Quest. A coral fin on the side that she can use the tunnel that she has to survive. Any questions about that? Welcome to Ocean Voyager, the top side of our whale shark habitat. Who's already had a chance to walk through Ocean Voyager? Raise your hand. Couple of you. Okay, awesome. So you walk through our level 6 exhibit here at the aquarium. This exhibit now basically as well as whale sharks are culture feeders. So they eat a mixture of very cool animals such as krill, plankton, hawk, squid, and fish. They're just going to filter all of this into colorful fish are at. All of this right here, this is the filtration system for the coral reef wall and the large Pacific sea nettle exhibit. Things will happen in here. They may grow plants closest to us for some of our freshwater exhibits. But down in the back right corner, underneath those blue lights, we have 40 pieces of coral representing 12 different species found on the coast of Florida. Marine conservation organization in the entire world. So very, very cool stuff that they get to do, and very cool that we're doing like that.
The behind the scenes tour was so worth it. Oh my word. It's just, you get to see a lot of the ways that like the aquarium functions. 5 stars. That's what we rate it. We're leaving the aquarium and look where we're going this afternoon. Literally right across from like the plaza.
Yeah.
It's just so cool. It's like back to back, like amazing museums, I guess. Are they museums?
Attractions.
Attractions, yeah.
Being the vault where they kept the secret, right? Because the secret formula. It's like the Hershey factory where they should have had to make the bars, but the bottle.
You're right.
Taste it.
This is the part.
Coke.
This is the part we've all been waiting for.
Us and probably everybody else.
Yeah. So now you can just like go around to the circles and taste it from different countries.
Oh. Yeah.
This is overwhelming.
I just want to try proper Coke.
I don't know, Ariel.
Me either.
Maybe over there.
Yeah.
Objectively the best place. The ground is so sticky.
This is the original flavor.
Okay.
What do you think?
I can't really drink a whole can of it, but it's okay with this.
The indoctrination has not worked on us.
This is gonna be Ian's first Coke.
So special, isn't it? No, don't spill it. Just
Pour a
drink
little bit
it.
in here, so it's...
Yeah. Is it bubbly? Yeah. You want more? Yeah. Not very good, is it?
I think it also feels funny.
Hey, is it so bubbly? It's gonna make you burp. Yes, yes, yes.
This is my favorite as a kid. This is my favorite.
Fanta? Can I try it? It's been years since
It's
I've
been
had
a long time since I've had it too. So sweet.
Too much sugar.
No. You can tell we don't drink soda anymore. It's so sweet.
It really is.
But, okay, 1 second.
Ian, you gotta try some Fanta. Dada used to love Fanta.
My favorite is because it had no caffeine. I already gave you some. Drink up. Cheers!
You wanna cheers? Ow!
Cheers!
Cheers! What do you think?
I know.
What do you think? Oh, you don't like fish? He said no.
And shivered.
Wait, Dad, give me another chance.
No,
I don't. He doesn't like Fanta.
I don't know how much this I can do.
I am done.
Never good.
all that,
good.
and I'm like, I'm done.
Too much sugar.
Let's just go.
Yeah.
It's really busy in here, like chaotic busy, like to the point where you can't really enjoy yourself, kind of busy. So the aquarium, 10 out of 10. The Coca-Cola factory, I should call it the indoctrination factory of trying to force you to be behind a brand that isn't necessarily the greatest.
Well, we don't even purchase from.
I know.
Well, it might make Propel actually.
Well, but anyway, the moral of the story is that was maybe a 2 out of 10.
Yeah.
Maybe less.
I mean, the thing is though, the main thing is you get to taste Coke, and neither of us drink soda or pop or Coke, depending on what you want to call it. And so that's your main attraction, and we drank like 2.
But it was nice to get to like Ian's first time that I remember him ever drinking. You wanna run around? Okay. Let's run around.
Lead and I will follow.
Go for it.
Free of all those people.
Be free!
So we're rather spontaneous, and we didn't have this plan, but to end our time in Atlanta, we're gonna go ride their Ferris wheel at night and see it, because it's open until 11, so it's not 11, so that's cool.
Yeah.
It's like downtown.
And it'll be a cool way to see the city before we leave.
Yes. I think this park was built when the Olympics were here back in 1996, so that's why it like looks Olympic-y over there. The flags and the torches.
Olympic-y.
100 Centennial Olympic Park.
Oh yeah, very cool. And also for the extra win, this makes me like Atlanta a little bit more. I was the second to last customer before they closed, so I'm feeling very lucky right now. How cool is this?
So random for us.
Whoa.
It can hold 251 guests and is 20 stories high.
20 stories? Oh my word, I did. You should have told me that. Now I'm gonna be scared. He's excited.
Gonna go up there, but
Oh, God, there's a queen.
yeah, up there. Oh, gui.
Thank you.
Hey guys, if you have need for more heat, you can open those up. And any other problems with the red help button.
Makes sense. Yeah, not you. Don't push the buttons.
I like that it's on the roof. Because if those buttons were not on the roof, they'd be pushed.
Hold it back the whole time.
Bubba, we're about to see Atlanta. Yeah, you want to push the buttons.
Oh.
Here we go. Here we go. We're going up. Oh, this is so cool.
I've never been in a Ferris wheel.
Like this.
At all.
At all?
I don't think so.
Bubba, what?
Well, he thinks mom will help him get to the buttons.
I'm not gonna help you push them buttons. I'm not gonna do it.
Oh, cool.
Oh my word, Ian, look.
Look out
Look,
there. Whoa, that's kind of neat. Literally.
We're at the top of Atlanta's skyline, so we're gonna tell Atlanta goodbye now. We will see you next time, Atlanta. Bye!